Supreme Court in another development. This is regarding the alleged Pegasus snooping controversy here. It has now agreed to hear the petition that was demanding a court-monitored probe in the Pegasus row. This petition is to be taken up next week now. It has been filed by very senior journalists N. Ram and Shashi Kumar. The petition seeks to know the extent of surveillance which was conducted by the Israeli spyware Pegasus, allegedly on opposition leaders, on journalists as well as activists. Well, we're going to be getting in further inputs here on this, but remember, this is the first such petition that we're seeing coming in from journalists, at least, as far as raising concerns on the Pegasus snooping row here is concerned, and a very specific demand here to actually know the extent of the surveillance, if at all, which was conducted by Pegasus, by the Israeli spyware here. This was not just on journalists, it was not just on politicians, not just affecting one part, one particular section of society. It was across the board on allegedly on that potential basis, the potential target list which was released by the Wire platform in its reportage here, saying that it included officers, opposition leaders, journalists, activists across the board. We have with us our Deputy News Editor, Meenakshi Bhanja, who's getting us further such updates here on this. Meenakshi, this of course as in a confirmation and immediate admission of this plea by the Supreme Court. This is to be heard now next week. But this is also seeking to know the very basic concern on this issue. If phones were hacked and spied upon, there has to be some clarity brought in on this.
Well, that's right. It's an issue, sir, we have seen that has rocked the monsoon session of both houses of parliament. It has been an issue in India which has united the opposition from Mamata Banerjee to DMK to the Congress to various other opposition parties of India have been speaking in a united voice on this. We have seen the demands put forth by the Congress where they have demanded for a discussion on the floor of the House or a statement by the Prime Minister or no less than the Home Minister himself. We have seen the position of the government as well, where the government has sought to clarify and explain through the IT Minister, but clearly that has not been enough for the opposition. And we have also seen the two-member commission being set up by the West Bengal government to probe this, headed by a retired Supreme Court judge. So clearly, not just in countries like France and Israel, but even in India, this has been a high-stake political matter. And therefore, the Supreme Court agreeing to hear this next week assumes a lot of import because remember, what will happen now is the position that the Supreme Court will take on this one will considerably go on to impact the fate of the Pegasus row. So from that point of view, it assumes a lot of import. And secondly, the answers or the replies that the opposition has been seeking on this one. They've been seeking a simple reply, yes or no reply, whether the Pegasus spyware was used by the government against its own citizens in India or not. So whether the Supreme Court can compel the government to come out with a specific reply remains to be seen. Whether this three petitions have been filed, as a matter of fact. Today, Mr. Kapil Sibal made a mentioning for senior journalists, Mr. N. Ram and Mr. Shashi Kumar, and the Supreme Court Chief Justice of India-led bench agreed to list the matter for hearing sometime next week.
Right. Meenakshi, thank you for getting us those updates. And as Meenakshi was mentioning, that this is something that has continued to rock both houses of parliament in this monsoon session. So what we've seen today predictably has been once again through the day multiple adjournments amidst heavy sloganeering by the opposition. Early in the day today already both houses were adjourned now till next week Monday. The opposition continues to press on in demanding a debate be done on the floor of the House on the Pegasus row. The opposition says they're not going to be calling off these protests here till the government agrees for a full-fledged debate here on this matter. Parliamentary Affairs Minister, though, Prahlad Joshi, has said the opposition can still seek clarification from the IT Minister here on this statement.
ये बोलना चाहता हूं, मैं फिर से अपील करना चाहता हूं, IT मिनिस्टर श्री अश्विनी जी वैष्णव दोनों हाउस में डिटेल स्टेटमेंट दिया है। ये नॉन इशू बना के दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण से 7-8 दिन से संसद नहीं चल रहा है। बहुत अदर इंपॉर्टेंट इश्यूज आर देयर आर सो मेनी अदर इंपॉर्टेंट पीपल रिलेटेड इश्यूज, जनता को जो संबंधित विषय है वो चर्चा करने के लिए जो बीएसी में तय होता है उसके लिए भारत सरकार तैयार है।
Prahlad Joshi there calling this a non-issue. With that, we're slipping into a very tiny breather. Stay with us.